We live in a world full of noises and distractions, and we can become easily overwhelmed, just like Elijah was. And all Elijah really needed was to hear the small, still voice of the Lord, just like we need to hear that still, small voice that changes our lives forever. Now, in the book of Revelation, Jesus mentioned at least 4 times, "If anyone has an ear, let him hear what the Spirit says to the churches." So Jesus was letting us know that what the Spirit was whispering to us or speaking to us was the most important thing to hear.